Mommy, can I use your makeup too?
No, sweetie, you're still too little.
Mom, can I go with you?
No, honey. Mommy is going to work. Bye-bye, darling.
Bye, Mom. Come back soon. Mommy's shoes. Oh, they're too big for me. I think I better use mine anyway. Please, could you help me find my mom by leaving a like and commenting with a heart? Yes, I know! I'm going to get my mom. Yes, I did it. I have to find my mom. Where is she?
Oh my god.
Where is my mom? Mom! I came to get you.
Oh, that's my girl. I love you, my little star.
Woo! Yay! If you love your mom, comment. I love my mom.